Everybody, just a quick update. Look, changed the motor over. The other brand new one I had weren't sort of producing enough sparks, and it was only 1700 RPM. So we've upgraded now to a higher motor now, which is 3,480. I think it is. Yeah, 3,480, and it has made a tremendous difference on the grinding, and also producing a lot more sparks. So we swapped that over. Only thing I had to do was re-drill 2 holes because the mounting was smaller. That's the original, and we've had to put a new set in here. So, but yeah, really is nice new belt on there. I'll spin it up in a moment. But what I am going to do is here, going to cut this down. Obviously there's a bar in here. I'm going to cut this bar down because I've noticed that the wheel is slightly wants to come over this way, but he's central. It's hard to see it on a camera, but he's actually central in the fork, but I'm leaning over this way. So I need to cut the weld and just pull it back a fraction. That is what's causing me all the grief on the tracking, although it was fine. Yeah, I just want to get it right, so by spending a couple more hours on it, I'll cut that down there in position, and then just twist this motor now more forward so it's parallel with this, parallel here, and also on here, and then that should bring all my tracking in nicely. I'll say it's okay, I'm not disappointed, it's just I just want to get the last bit right. But yeah, let's spin them up anyway and see how we go. There you go. Well, like I say, certainly don't regret buying that other motor. And like I say, it's made a hell of a difference. I'll see if I can produce some sparks with one hand. Also I'm videoing it well at the same time. It might be a little bit difficult, but you'll get the drift anyway. So let's start him up here anyway. That's on the slowest speed, which I've got an RPM meter reading here. On the lowest speed is there you go. That'll be a lot slower on here because obviously bigger wheel. That's on the slowest speed. If we spin them up a bit more, there you go. 1828 RPM on there, and on the bigger wheel $940. So we'll spin them up even more. That's 2006. Now we run it flat out. In the tracking. 1,400-ish. I'll put it on here, on the bigger arm. There you go. And see if I can produce some sparks for you, but it makes a hell of a difference. Just a bit of 8mm flat bar I've been playing with. Try to use the other hand. A lot better. What I want to do is also make a guard here somewhere, not too sure. I'll add a guard here to stop some of the sparks flying, because what's happening is it's going all over the workshop. You may see it. There you go. So yeah, happy days. I'm very happy with that. So nearly complete. Like I said, I've still got a couple more attachments. I've also got another belt, a smaller wheel coming, a 6-inch one. That's the next little modification I'll be doing, or I can use anyway. And yeah, really enjoying it. I'll say that swapping the motor over was easy enough, wiring it back in. I'll say the tracking's good here. Not so bad there. But even on the slow speed, if you see here, just to the left, you can see where it's not tracked properly, but when I power it up, that'll sit central. So I'll just do it once more. It's easier to show you than... There we go. Nice and cold as well here, so certainly, you know, chucking a load of cold air into the motor to keep it cool. There you go. I'll keep updating as and when I do anything to it. So I also have just ordered some new belts as well, some quality belts. They're quite nice. Got a couple of new ones here. And some used ones. That's a new belt on there. There you go. Thanks for looking, guys, and yeah, if you like, please put a thumb up. Till the next time. Bye bye.